Hey everyone, welcome back to today's video. I hope you guys are having a great day so far. So today we are going to dig on into this big old Sephora box right here. I did a little damage at Sephora. I picked up a lot of the brand new products that I saw that were just released and all of that good stuff. I've been putting them to the test. I've worn them all pretty much a couple times now, so I can give you guys a good little review on each product and let you know if they are hits or misses. So let's just dive on into this box. Let's get started. Okay, so pretty much everything that I am talking about and sharing with you today, I have on my face. I have a bunch of lip products, so obviously I can only use one lip product at a time, but really a lot of the stuff that I'm talking about today I have on. And I'm gonna start out with this right here because I am not even kidding you. You all need this. It's the little Marc Jacobs Cream and Sugar Nude Lip Trio. That is what I have on today, and I am so addicted, so obsessed, I can't even control myself. This is the cutest little lip kit, and the colors, if you are a like pinky nude fan, oh my god, that's all I'm gonna say. So this little lip kit comes with 3 cute little products. Now, they're not full-size products, they're just like mini size, but you actually get a good amount of product. Like, I never go through lip glosses or lipsticks anyway, so these are perfect little sizes. The first is the lip liner, and I am so in love with the Marc Jacobs lip liners. I always have been. They're super creamy and long-lasting, and they just draw like the perfect line around your lips, and I just love them. And I like that they're twist up too, which just makes it easy. But this is the lip liner it comes with. Now, I don't think you can get any of these full size. I think they're just in this little lip kit for now. That is the lip liner right here. And then the little cute little lipstick. This is in the shade Cream and Sugar as well. And it's such a perfect pinky nude shade. That is the color of that right here. And then to top the whole little lip look off here is this lip gloss right here. This is in the shade Cream and Sugar. Go figure. I guess that's what they all are. Anyway, this lip gloss just makes the entire look. So pretty much probably all of you either own or have heard people talk about the Marc Jacobs lip glosses because they are beautiful. They're not sticky and they make your lips just look and feel so just like pouty and glossy, and I love them. This shade is probably my favorite one out of all the ones that I have. It is a super kind of light pink, but it's so glossy and it has like a hint of shimmer in it, but you don't see the shimmer on your lips. It just makes your lips look insane. So that's the gloss that I have over top of the lipstick. So those are the 3 shades right here, the lip liner, the lipstick, and then the lip gloss. And that is what I have on my lips right now. So you can see the whole combination together. And I am telling you guys, this little lip kit is such a must. Then we have a new Becca highlighter. They actually sent this to me. This is in the shade Vanilla Quartz, and it's beautiful. It's like a perfect light kind of like cream color. It's the highlight that I have on today. As of all Becca highlights, they are so gorgeous on your cheeks. They give you a good glow, but they're not chunky or too like sparkly or anything like that. They're very smooth and very fine on your cheeks. And I really am liking this color a lot. Like, this color is right up my alley and it's beautiful. That's what it looks like right here. That is Vanilla Quartz. And I'm guessing, like I said, I think this is a new shade, but I am loving it. Loving it, loving it. It's beautiful. I got another little kit right here. This one is by Nude Stix. These are the nude metallics for your eyes, and I love these. I am so addicted to these because you guys know how I love cream eyeshadows. Anything that's like super fast and super easy for your eyes, I am all about. And these Nude Stix for your eyes are so perfect. You can combine them just with other eyeshadows. You can use them quickly on their own and they are perfect. What I did today was I took my Glow Skin Beauty, the Mix of Metals palette, and I used that all around like for the crease and the outer V. And then I took one of these little Nude Stix, these little cream eyeshadows, and just quickly drew over my eyelid. And then that's the look that I came up with today. And they're just flawless. Like, I love these. And this one, this little kit here, you get 3 perfect size little nude shades. And this is the size of them. Like, again, they're a good size. So just like that, they look like this. Perfect little size. You can throw these in your purse. It's just super easy. So the shades that it comes with is Burnish, and I think this is the one that I used today. Yeah, this is what I used today. It's like a really pretty, just kind of like bronzy nude. That's what I have on my eyelids today. And then this one is in the shade, it's called Nudity. And then that's that shade right next to it. Like, look at that. Like, they're so creamy, yet they don't budge at all day long on your eyes. They're so easy to work with too. And then the third one is Smoke. And this one's gonna be a little bit of a darker kind of smoky look. And that's that shade right here. I mean, how beautiful are these? And I'm telling you guys, if you've never tried the Nude Stix like this for your eyes, super, super easy. Just draw them on and you're good to go. They are so fast and so easy. And then I got one of the full size Nude Stix, and this is again for your eyes. And I got this shade in Gilt. This is like a really pretty like gold. So you can see the full size of it is like this. So you can see the little sizes that comes in that little trio is not that far off, honestly, than the full size. Like, they're really good, and I will never get through a full size. But this is in the shade Gilt. I'll actually put it right next to the other ones. And if you like a really pretty like gold on your lid, this is so beautiful. And that is what Gilt looks like right here. So you got the 3 nudes that come in the kit, and then this is the full size in Gilt. But definitely check out these Nude Stix. They are completely worth it. If you love your cream shadows like I do, you will absolutely love these. If you have not tried them, definitely try. So I've been doing a little concealer testing. This is the new Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Concealer. I just always like to try new concealers. So I saw this one and just really was curious about it, and I ended up absolutely loving it. It's the concealer I have on now. It comes in a really nice doe foot applicator, but it's super like, it's not, I don't want to say it's super moisturizing. It's moisturizing, yet it dries down, but it doesn't budge at all day. It covers really flawlessly under my eyes, so any little darkness that I have under my eyes, it really covers nice. So I've been really impressed with this concealer. It has not sunk into any lines, any wrinkles. It keeps my under eyes looking flawless all day without making me look like a creepy old woman. You know, a lot of concealers do that. This one has been flawless under my eyes. So I've been super impressed with this. This is in the shade 3N, and I'll give you guys just actually a quick little swatch so you can see what color, you know, just to kind of like give you guys a color reference. That is what I have on under my eyes right now, and I've been loving it. You guys, this is another good concealer that I was kind of shocked about. It just kind of came out of nowhere and just, you know, wanted to test it out, and I'm thoroughly impressed. It's also good for like spot concealing on the face too. So if you have any little blemishes or little red areas, to spot treat with that, because it's very lightweight and like very thin. Like, it's a thin consistency, so it doesn't look cakey or it doesn't build up so much on your face. So it's great for spot concealing at the same time. So far, like I said, I think that concealer is a winner. If you have more mature eyes, I would definitely say that this one could be a really good possibility for you. All right, so we have 2 new Becca products, and they actually sent these to me. This is the Becca Anti-Fatigue Under Eye Primer, and I'm just gonna tell you right now too, this is another hit. I love this. So this is an eye primer that you just kind of take and dab under your eyes before you apply your concealer. And I've noticed every single time I use this primer first before my concealer, I feel like with all my concealers, they just go on even more flawlessly and smooth, because it kind of like fills in little lines and wrinkles and just smooths the whole under eye. And then it's supposed to help to hold your concealer in place that much longer. But I really like it. It's kind of like a balmy kind of texture. So, I mean, it doesn't feel heavy or anything under your eye at all. It's a little bit just like kind of like a balm. And like I said, you just kind of pat it under your eyes. It fills everything in. And I've been really impressed with this too. I have been using this constantly and I really like it. They also sent me their new under eye brightening setting powder. So I have not changed up setting powders, like under eye setting powders, in a while. I'm constantly using my Well People Bio Brightening Powder, and then every now and then I'll kind of switch it up and use the Urban Decay, the Velvetizer, because I really like that under the eye as well, because it's so finely milled and it just really sits under the eye and just kind of perfects the skin so much without looking like powder. So I really wouldn't have bought this myself at all, but they sent it to me, so I was like, all right, you know, I'm gonna definitely try it. So I've been trying this under my eye. It's what I have on under my eyes today. And again, I really like it. It definitely does brighten up the eye. It comes in this really kind of fluffy white powder. And I was thinking it was gonna be a little bit just too white under my eyes, but it really sets everything beautifully, and it does really blend in. It doesn't look powdery, and it does brighten the under eye. So again, Becca comes through because this powder is awesome. So I picked up a new foundation brush. I'm always about like trying new foundation brushes. I haven't even opened this one yet. Sephora always like packages their brushes like so crazy. It takes me like a minute to dig in here. So obviously I haven't tried this brush yet. Now that we got it open, I will definitely have to try it. Let's figure this little contraption out. So this is the brush though. This is the Sephora Pro Slanted Buffing number 88. And I just wanted to give this a try. Again, I'm always up to try new brushes, and I actually like Sephora brushes a lot. For the price of Sephora brushes, I always feel like they are good quality. So it's a good size. I'm really curious how this is gonna work and kind of blend everything in, but I feel like the shape of it is perfect. It's like got a really good density to it, so I feel like this is gonna be a really good foundation brush. But this is brand new to the Sephora brush collection, and I definitely think this is gonna be a good one. Let me know down below in the comments if you've tried this brush as well, but I will keep you guys posted. All right, so here's a product that I have not tried yet because I'm a little bit scared, but I really want to try it. It's the Revolutionary Rollerball. Who's this by? Oh, it's by Nude Stix. It's by Nude Stix as well. But this is like a new, let me open this up here. This is like a new eyeliner little contraption that they came out with, and I just was intrigued. I don't know why, because I don't know, I'm so bad at eyeliner, like liquid liner. I'm also so bad at opening these packages. Man, the sun started coming out for a minute. It's so dreary and so ugly out. It's like we have not seen the sun here in Atlanta for days. And the sun just started to peek out for just like a minute. I was like, oh, come on. I feel like my lighting is so dark right now. Anyway, so this is this new little eyeliner. And like I said, I'm not the best with liquid eyeliners. I hardly ever, couldn't even tell you guys the last time I pulled out a liquid eyeliner. But that's kind of what intrigued me about this, is because it's supposed to make liquid eyeliner so easy. It's in this crazy little roller ball. So me being the complete moron that I am with liquid eyeliner, if I can do this, then anyone's gonna be able to do it. So it has this little like roller ball, like this little wheel at the end, and you're supposed to be able to just like do that. Wow, that's actually such a super fine like little line. Just line your eyes like that. That, I don't know. I'm a little bit like, how are you supposed to do the wing? I don't know. We're gonna test this out. I will definitely keep you posted. Maybe I'll even do a get ready with me where, you know, we test out some more makeup together, and I kind of put this to the test with you guys so you can truly see my skills at liquid eyeliner. I also picked up 2 of the new Bare Minerals Gen Nude. These are the patent lip lacquers. These are amazing, you guys. If you have not tried these yet too, I would highly suggest. So I got 2 different shades. I got Girl Boss and Life Goals. I love the names of these. One is kind of like a peachy pink, and then the other one is like a really pretty light pink. But they are so gorgeous on your lips. I have worn this one the other day. This is the Girl Boss, and it's gorgeous. They have like a complete full coverage look to them. They are super glossy and make your lips look so nice. If you like a good gloss, you are gonna absolutely love these. They feel good on your lips, and like I said, they just give you that like pouty, juicy looking lip. So I love that. So that is Girl Boss right here. That's the perfect pink, like perfect everyday pink. And then this one in Life Goals is like the peachy pink. And like I said, just one swipe and you get amazing full coverage. So I love these 2 shades that I picked out too. Both of them are super wearable and I love them. So Girl Boss and Life Goals, and they are great. Great lip glosses. Definitely check these out too for sure. And then Bite Beauty came out with some new shades of their Amuse-Bouche Liquefied lips, which I love. I love this formula so much. The only thing that I didn't like was the range of colors. They didn't have a ton of nudes or a ton of pinks. They had like a ton of colors, but colors that I don't wear. So they actually came out with a bunch of new shades, and I love this one. This is in the shade, what was this one? It was Daycon? It's like a beautiful, cool tone, kind of baby pink. It looks like that. And I'm telling you, these liquefied lips by Bite are so nice. They give full coverage to your lips. They don't dry down like so matte where they suck the moisture out of your lips. Like your lips will stay really comfortable with these. And I really like this color. I really like those kind of like baby cool tone pinks as well. And that's exactly what this one is. So I'm so happy they came out with some new shades. Oh, going back to the Laura Mercier concealer, I also picked up a Laura Mercier, one of her new brushes. She just came out with a bunch of new makeup brushes. And this one just looked really good because I just love brushes like this, so I really wanted to test it out. It's the Smokey eyeliner brush. I think this brush is gonna be awesome for taking that eyeshadow as eyeliner, which I do on pretty much a daily basis. It's what I did today. And I think this brush is gonna be perfect for that because it comes to a really nice point like that. and it's firm enough where I feel like it's gonna keep that line really perfect, and I can tell you're gonna be able to smudge this out really nice. And all Laura Mercier brushes, I feel like this quality is actually even nicer than her other ones, whereas this one is like updated and like a really nice, sleek, like plasticky feel, but it's like nice, like it feels nice and it looks really nice. So I really like her new brushes, the style of them a lot. Like I said, I think her old brushes, weren't they like a wood base? I'm almost positive they were not plastic. I don't know, it's been a while. I haven't used Laura Mercier brushes in a long time, but I do still have some. But I really like her new sleek design of these is super cute. I did pick up one of the new Tarte Chrome Paint Shadow Pots. This I was, you know, kind of just curious about myself. It's in the shade Park Ave Princess. And I just love stuff like this, so anything that kind of gives me that shine or that sparkle a little bit to the lid, I really like. Whoa, it's a loose, I almost dropped it. It's a loose powder, so it looks like this, but the color looks amazing. I'll show you what's in the lid. This color looks beautiful. Oh my gosh, this is gonna give you that gorgeous gold bronze shine to your lid. Look at that. It's so smooth, and that is going to just shine up your lid. I love stuff like this where you can apply to your lid and then take like a matte and use it in the crease and out the outer V a little bit. Like I love that look. So that is super, super gorgeous. I'm excited to do looks with that for sure. That's gonna look so good for like a bronzy, summery gold look. That is gorgeous. And last but not least, this is not brand new to Sephora, but I did pick it up, so I wanted to share it with you. It's the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. I just picked up another one because I know my other one is getting really low and I don't want to be without it. This is like my new favorite brow pencil. You guys saw me use this in my 5-minute makeup routine. It's just such a quick and easy little brow pencil. It's got a nice point. I actually prefer these Benefit ones over my Anastasia Brow Wiz. I feel like this one is creamier. It lasts just as long, but it's creamier, so you can get better little strokes with it. And I just feel like it looks so much better than the Anastasia Brow Wiz, which I can't even believe I'm saying because I've always, like for years, the Brow Wiz has been my go-to brow pencil, but it's really been replaced by this Benefit one. I am in the shade 4, if anyone wants to know like shade, you know, options, that's what I am. I'm in 4, which is like a darker brown, but it just matches my eyebrows perfectly. And you just go light with it and, you know, spoolie it in and blend it in with your brows, and it just lasts forever and just is perfect. Like this is my favorite brow pencil. And there you have it. That's everything that's brand new at Sephora. Everything I've tried, everything I've tested. Thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely lots of hits at Sephora right now. I love, like, I'm trying to think, was there one thing that I really didn't even like? No. We liked it all. So I hope you guys enjoyed. It's all going to be linked down below in the description box for you. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, but I will see you guys next time. Bye.